Hey there, web developers! Welcome to Modern Web Development Unveiled. Today, I'm breaking down the key aspects of web development in our fast-paced, tech-driven world. Buckle up, because there's a lot to cover. First up, front-end development. JavaScript frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, and Vue.js are reigning supreme. They help us build complex, interactive user interfaces with reusable components. These frameworks are perfect for creating single-page applications or SPAs, offering smoother user experiences. HTML5 and CSS3 are still the backbone of web development. With CSS Grid and Flexbox, layout design and responsive web development have never been easier. Web components are also getting popular, allowing us to create custom, reusable HTML elements. Responsive design is a must. A mobile-first approach ensures our websites look great on any device, from phones to tablets to desktops. And hey, don't forget performance optimization. Fast loading times, efficient code, and optimized images are key for a great user experience and SEO. Tools like Lighthouse can really help out. Accessibility, or A11Y, is crucial. Building websites everyone can use, including those with disabilities, is non-negotiable. Follow the WCAG guidelines to make sure you're on track. And speaking of modern trends, headless front ends using frameworks like Next.js or Nux.js are becoming a big deal. They can connect to any backend. Now let's dive into backend development. Popular server-side languages and frameworks include Node.js with Express.js, Python with Django or Flask, Ruby on Rails, and Java with Spring Boot. Choosing the right tech depends on your project and team expertise. Databases are the heart of data storage. Relational databases like PostgreSQL and MySQL and NoSQL options like MongoDB and Cassandra are your go-tos. Cloud-based databases are super common these days. APIs, especially RESTful and GraphQL, are essential for communication between front-end and back-end. Microservices often rely heavily on APIs too, and let's not forget cloud computing. Platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform provide scalable, reliable infrastructure. Serverless computing is growing fast as well. Security is paramount. Protecting against vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and data breaches is critical. Full-stack development is where it's at for many. Full-stack devs handle both front-end and back-end tasks, creating complete web applications. DevOps practices often come into play as well. Emerging trends are shaping the future. Progressive web apps, PWAs, offer a native app-like experience in a browser. WebAssembly, WASM, allows us to run code written in languages like C++ and Rust in the browser, boosting performance. AI and machine learning are integrating into web apps, bringing chatbots, personalized recommendations, and image recognition. Web3 and blockchain are revolutionizing the field with decentralized applications, or dApps. And low-code/no-code platforms are speeding up development with minimal coding. Finally, development practices are evolving. Agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban promote collaboration and flexibility. Git is essential for managing code changes and collaboration. Testing ensures code quality and prevents bugs. Continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD, automates build, test, and deployment processes, accelerating development cycles. In essence, modern web development is about creating user-centric, performant, secure, and scalable web applications that meet the demands of our diverse, tech-savvy world. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.